So today we're going to swap out these tail lights, the rear ones that came stock on this. These are the non-LED with the halogen bulbs. And we're going to be installing a set from Recon. So to do the unboxing, all I've done is I've opened up the box. Vacuum sealed. And there's the other one right there. So let's get these things unwrapped, shall we? So here they are out of the box. A little bit of dust on them from the plastic, but otherwise simple plug and play. All I need to do is swap over the reverse light or upgrade to LED if you're going to do that, and then it's a straight plug into the halogen bulb using a T25 Torx. Take out those two screws and we'll do that next. There are the two screws. I had to disconnect my taillight lift assist to access the door. I took the two screws out and the taillight literally just fell right out. So it's that easy. Now I'm just going to unhook, disconnect these lights, and I'll show you that in a second. So one thing that on the bottom of the taillight assembly, there's a white sticker, and that's for your backup light. It really kind of requires a little bit of elbow grease, not a lot, just to get it off. So take some time and make sure you get all this paper off. The other thing is when you go to use your backup bulb, unless you're changing it out, make sure that you keep the rubber gasket on there because it uses the same gasket for water leak protection. And here is the light installed on the truck. I think it looks really good. I'm very excited. I've already tested it and it works. When it gets darker, I will add the picture to the functioning lights at that time. Now it's time to go over and do the passenger side. It's exactly the same as the driver's side. It took me 10 minutes to do the driver's side. I'll show you a little more detail, the connections on this light. Plug, which plugs into the actual light socket of the halogen one. And you'll notice it's got the black wires here. And it's very important that these black wires match up to the socket over here. You can see there's a black wire right there. And those have to marry up. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is exactly the opposite. And then making sure the black wires line up here, which is on the left. And there it is. Making sure the pins line up, the sliders, push. Reinstall your screws, test your lights, and you're good to go. So here's this finished results. I'm really pleased with it. I have to say, of all the mods I've done on this particular vehicle, the tail lights were by far the easiest. A couple of screws, make sure that the black wires are lined up to the black wires, and you're really good to go. It's hard to make a mistake on this, so based on that, I would say if I can do it, you can do it. It's really that easy. Don't let it be intimidating. Just take it slowly. It's a couple of screws, couple of clips to get the lights out, and then you're good to go. So for bang for your buck, I don't know of many mods that would give you the same sort of look that this one does at the same sort of price. So all in all, job well done, and I'm really happy with the outcome.